With the Quillo Aviance, you can save money, save space, and save the heavy lifting with one all-season solution. The Quillo Aviance is the world's first 4-in-1 air climatizer to make the air in your home clean, cool, and allergen-free without 4 different machines. Take care of your family all year round with the Quillo Aviance. It purifies, cools, humidifies, and ventilates. That's 4 powerful appliances in one compact unit for a clean, healthy, and comfortable home. Snap in the HEPA filter to transform the Quillo Aviance into a triple-stage air purifier, letting your family breathe fresh, clean air in any season. The high-capacity air purifier includes an activated carbon filter, HEPA filter, and UV sanitizing light. Effectively removes smoke, pet dander, odor, dust, and VOCs to reduce indoor air pollution and maximize clean, healthy air. The UV sanitizing light works in all modes and provides an added layer of purification by killing 99.9% of certain bacteria and viruses that pass through the unit. The patented interchangeable cartridges make it a breeze to alternate from an air purifier to an air cooler or humidifier with a snap. Snap in the honeycomb filter, add water, and transform the Quillo Aviance into an evaporative cooler, blowing chilled air for hot and stuffy spaces up to 300 square feet. Extremely energy efficient with no environment-damaging gases, the air cooler can reduce the temperature of hot, dry air up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even add ice for a faster chill on hotter days. Switch on the special sleep mode for quiet comfort at night. Snap on the humidifier cartridge to change the Quillo Aviance into a humidifier to keep itchy dryness at bay during cold winters. Switch off cooling mode in any season to operate the Quillo Aviance as a fan for natural air ventilation. Quillo's patented auto sensors automatically detect ambient temperature, humidity, and air quality, adjusting settings to maximize your comfort. Welcome the Quillo Aviance into your home to make life less complicated, more comfortable, cleaner, and healthier.